Well, I'm feeling pretty good about myself because I just got a promotion, so I am dressed for success. But you don't care about that. You want to know how to promote in chess. So check out my latest video. Hey guys, it's a Chess Shark here helping you improve your game fast. If you're new to my channel, I would love you to subscribe. The special move called promotion. What is a promotion? Well, it's kind of when you go up a level. So for instance, you're at school, next year you're going to go up a grade, up a new level. You're going to be promoted to the next grade. Well, in chess, we promote with little pawns. If we can get a pawn to the end of the board, it can turn into another piece. It can turn into a knight, it can turn into a rook, it can turn into a bishop, or an almighty powerful queenie. Little pawns can become superheroes and turn into a queen. That's pretty cool. And now in this position, the king's in check. He has to run away. And this little pawn, he's eyeing off a queenie as well. He wants to get to the end. And notice here, this is exciting. This little pawn's going down the board. He's only 2 squares away. He's only 2 squares away. Who's going to win the race? Let's check it out. Well, it is white's turn. So white goes forward 1, and then the dark little pawn goes forward 1. And yes, he's got to the end. Woohoo! Happy days. Because now 2 queenies are on the back rank and can start attacking the king using the electric fence strategy. Remember, we saw that in that pattern earlier on in one of our previous lessons. It is black's turn. They are also going to get a queen and promote to a queen on b1. So it's queen and king against 2 queens and a king. Now, I won't go into this endgame here, but if white makes the right moves, he can checkmate pretty easily the black king. So the other thing you should know about promoting with pawns is you can get lots of queens, because if we think about it, we have 8 pawns across here. If we get every pawn to the end of the board, we could literally have 8 queens plus our existing queen we start with. That's 9 queens. We can rule the world. But you don't need that many queens in the end game, and quite often if you have multiple queens, it narrows the position the king can move to, so we can create stalemate positions. So you've got to be careful getting lots of queens if you have that opportunity. You only need 2 queens really to checkmate with the right strategy. And the other thing I should tell you about is a thing called under promotion. So under promotion is when we get a pawn to the end, but he doesn't turn into a queen. The pawn turns into a knight, a bishop, or a rook. Okay, so we're not promoting to a queen. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the like button, and I'd love you to subscribe to my channel. Keep on improving your game, and I'll see you next time.